What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Average Biker Garage. I am Nick, your host. Today we are getting the rims and tires off because I got new rubber. Got new rubber in the mail. These tires on the Sporty are shot, so I went ahead and figured I might as well start at the bottom, work my way up, throw new tires on there. These are just, let's see if we can focus, Shinko 712s. They were cheap. That's the only reason why I got them. I did not give a shit what the tread pattern looked like. I'm not going for an old-timey looking tire. I want something that'll run and just be better than the weather-cracked, worn-out pieces of shit that are on it. And these popped up. I think I gave $150 for front and rear off Dennis Kirk. I am ordering a lot of my shit off Dennis Kirk. Their shipping's awesome. Their website's awesome. This is not a paid sponsorship or anything. It's just what I've been using and figured I'd let you guys know if you're hung up on using Dennis Kirk or anything. I've had nothing but good things to say about them. Their shipping's quick. Their prices are decent. Whatever. So, the other tire just fell over. Alright, so today we're going to take the rims and tires off and take these to a shop. I take mine to a local shop here. They charge me $30 a tire. Someday, hopefully will have my own tire changer, but not yet. So, that being said, welcome to the show. Let's get these rims and tires off, man. Alright guys, I'm not real sure where we're at in the video. I'd taken the wheels off a while ago to do the hardtail, but we finally got rims and tires back. So we're going to throw the rotors and the belt drive back on the rims and then get them on the frame so we have a roller. So yeah, let's get back into it. All right, guys, there you have it. New tires on the Sportster chopper. Nothing special, just Shinko. Not even real sure. I'll post below what they are, but yep, nothing special. So we now we have a roller. Not real sure what the next step is that I'm going to be taking on this. I know I need to swap it to a chain drive and get the motor in it, and then figure out a gas tank and a fender and a seat and pretty much everything. Yeah. So, not real sure what's next up for this, but hopefully you're subscribed and following along with it, so that way you don't miss any of it. So with that, that's the end of today's episode. I appreciate you watching. We are so close to 500 subs, so I appreciate all that. Yeah, if you haven't yet, subscribe, drop me a comment, shoot me an email, give this a thumbs up. All of that helps the channel out, and I appreciate it. So thanks again, guys.